Hello, everybody, and welcome to BitBrothers Crypto. I'm Papa BitBrother, and thank you for being here with us today in this incredible day, this incredible week in history. Okay, what I'm saying this because in the future, guys, you're gonna remember if you are here today how good timing you are right now. Okay, so before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, and share the content. That's the way you're gonna help us and you as well. Because the more people we get involved in this universe, the better it's gonna become, the faster it's gonna grow, and also the more stable it's gonna become. Okay, so we need everyone's help. So do your part. So if you watch the video and you think it's a good idea, of course, if you think it's a good thing that can web 3.0 is gonna do to you, so I'm gonna bring some news on that as well, just so you know how early we are in this market. Okay, stay with us because I'm gonna show you also some interesting news today about what can happen from now on. Are we coming out of the bear market already? What do you guys think? Are we out of the sandbox? Can we start to grow? We can see this kind of resistance, isn't it, guys? Always hitting up this resistance, like it reached 23, 24, back down 22. And yeah, so I think this is gonna carry on for a while, but let's see what other people say, the TAs, the specialists, people who are working full time on this market. Né? So today, very quickly here, we're still at 41.5% on the Bitcoin dominance, Ether 18.4, so which is very stable on this in this case. But we see Bitcoin going down to below $22,000. Okay, and we can see Ethereum at 1,528, a 5% on the day, which is not very good. But Tether holding up and USDC holding up, third and fourth place in the market. BNB holding strong, always like above. This price is being very, very strong for BNB. But BUSD is going higher. Okay, you can see it's in sixth place already, guys. That's crazy. I don't think it's gonna take anytime soon BNB's place because it's three times lower. The market cap $17 billion and to 41 billion. But XRP there holding strong in seventh place. Cardano at 49, below 50 cents once again, which is sad. But you have Solana here, guys. Oh, look at this, 7.29% on the weekly. Okay, so guys, I think opportunities all over the table for us. Okay, all over the table. Let's see the winners of the week. Fantom with 12% still at above 30 cents. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Take EOS, like at $1. The all-time high of EOS, guys, it was uh let's see when it was, although it was in the previous bull run, so you can see how EOS got stagnant for a while, but we never know, this can it can survive again. All-time high of EOS, $22.89, April 29, 2018, 4 years ago. All-time low at 48 cents 5 years ago. So still, in this bear market, we didn't reach its all-time low, but look at that, 20x below its all-time high. It can go up to 22 cents, $22. We don't know. I think EOS can do much better than that for sure, but $22, we don't know. But again, it still could be an amazing opportunity, even if it goes to $5, 4x here. Coins like that can give a very interesting return on investment. Okay, so just, of course, do your own research. Remember, everything we say is not financial advice. Nexo 21%, Synthetics 15%, Phantom, EOS, Quantum Curve, ApeCoin at $6.50. Look at these guys, crazy. $8. Let's do the losers of the week. Are we? Whoa, $22. Internet Computer at $18, 18%. Sorry. Terra Classic. What's going on? Terra is still here. What's going on? So 3 cents, 18% down. Elrond Gold, E Gold, it's 14 15% are weave. So yeah, you can see some opportunities here with the losers of the week. Like look at Gala at 5 cents, 0.50. That's a good one to good time to accumulate, guys. Yeah, remember, we can never time the bottom, so be careful if you are looking to time the bottom. Okay, so let's see what the analyst says. So structural consistency in year plus Bitcoin corrective waves, bounce at 50-week EMA after impulse stop, break below 50-week after corrective move up, consolidation near 100 weekly, then leg down, which ended at 0.618 on the Fibonacci from impulse high to 50-week bounce, all while volume declining, leveling. Of course, you have to read all of that, checking the the graphics here. Bounce at 50-week. So the 51 is the yellow one, and the 101 is the blue one. Okay, you can see the bounce here again. So bounce at 50-week EMA after impulse stop. Okay, so you had the impulse stop. We bounce here. So basically, what he says, we're gonna go here, bounce. We're gonna just bounce once we reach this yellow line there, the 50-week. Break below 50-week after corrective move up. Okay, so did we have this break corrective move up? No. Consolidation near 100-week on the leg down. On the 100-week is the blue one. So yeah, we didn't reach that. So basically, this is what it's probably gonna play out for this. Okay, what I'm watching for to confirm. So what I'm watching for to confirm correction end. Weekly RSI breaks descending resistance. Let's check this. So weekly RSI, which is here, breaks descending resistance. Okay, still on descending channel here, you can see. So he's expecting that to have a return once we break that. Weekly candle close above 50-week and 100-week. So we need to be above that. So still a bit to go. When they are converged, soon after they cross, and when both are within the underside zone of the prior blue consolidation, 32 to 35K. Okay, so yeah, tech dev is a specialist. He's a I think he's the kid one. Yeah, there's one that's like a kid, but he's amazing. And so basically, you see, it's still a lot of volatility before we reach this 32 to 35K. Anyway, this is what most people are saying. So very much expected. So 40% of all 19 million Bitcoins are in loss, blue. Historically, blue is a great accumulation zone. How long blue? Could be in 1 month, COVID 2020, or 2 months, 2011, 6 months, 2018-19, 9 months, 2014-15. Time will tell. Currently at 3 blue dots, are you going to wait until green? Okay, so what does that mean, guys? That as long as it's in the blue dots, we are in the best buying time ever. Okay, like he says, it's so easy yet people still bearish. Like Crypto replied to Plan B. Yeah, so it's crazy. So Crypto is a great TA as well. So basically, what he says, guys, do not be bearish anymore because we are in an uptrend and these things can change like this. Multi-year opportunity, Bitcoin, 4-year MA deviation oscillator. Okay, so basically shows, guys, that every time we are here, we were in great buying zone. Okay, every time we reach this one here, we were in great buying zone. And look at that, we are much below there. It's crazy. It's the 4-year deviation oscillator. So they check every 4 years, of course. So it's crazy. This is the bottom. This is why. So Seth, let's see what Seth says. I like his tweets as well. So Bitcoin price map as promised, our personal price map that we intended to follow until invalidated. As all of you know, Bitcoin is made of mathematical formulas. Math dictates the mining rate, halving time, how blocks are mined, etc. We marked out the halving times. Guys, so basically what they're saying that their graphics is following very much according to plan. Okay, so very soon we are in a reversal trend here That's what this suggests, of course. Okay. And so basically what happened, guys, if you do miss that now, okay, you probably will miss a lot of opportunities here on the market. I just wanted to bring you one more thing here that I saw. So there's so many going on, so much going on now, guys. Look at this, so much going on now on Twitter. So the next UK Prime Minister could be a supporter of Bitcoin. Some good news there. The root says cycle comparison. Either we find support here or we might get another arch below realized price, like in 2014. Macro might indicate the ladder. Okay, let's see. 35 days. So now what I wanted to show you is not here. Guys, you see, and then again, guys, that's why I keep saying to you, follow us on Twitter, because we keep reposting anything that's really, really interesting for you to follow as well. So look at this. Ethereum alt season, would you be prepared if the biggest alt season ever was approaching? We are in the process of a reaccumulation. Phase 2 is still missing. Everything just takes longer. Okay. But if you take phase 1 reaccumulation, that's where we probably is. Accumulation, phase 1 again. So phase 1 reaccumulation, phase 2, then accumulation, where we was here. This is 2016-15, and now we are phase 1 again, which is here. Then we are in a reaccumulation. Then we're gonna go boom. Like they say, everything takes a little bit longer, so we're probably gonna be in a reaccumulation zone for a while. Okay, and so be aware when the alt season is gonna start, because things can really pump. Bitcoin is ready for a massive bull run. 3 breakouts of 3 bullish patterns. Target 126, target 247, target 367. Okay, so guys, if you see the news here, we are in. Most people are very, very bullish to what's gonna happen. Okay, so I hope you are too. Like I show you there, there's so many interesting threads about that. Okay, that's it, guys. I wanted just to bring you this, the main news. I think, guys, you should definitely keep a look on the news and every day go quickly. Just quickly check the thing. So the best bear market plan, relentless optimism for the future, says fintech CEO. Okay, let me show you here. I forgot to put it there. Sorry. Okay, we're back. So here, the best bear market plan, relentless optimism for the future. So I just brought this because it's very quickly here. Because look, while many crypto veterans give you a wide range of bear market advice and strategies, some opt for a more straightforward approach. Optimism, being resilient and positive during this time is very important, according to Jeremy Almond, the CEO of Paystand, a business-to-business payments fintech. Almond told Cointelegraph that the best way to plan during the crypto winter for companies is having what he calls a brutal understanding of the facts and a relentless optimism for the future. He explains that as a company, you always want to be resilient in case of hard times, but also optimistic about the world we are creating. That's it, guys. You know, I think this message is what I wanted to leave you guys with. Okay, optimism, optimism, optimism. Don't take one bad deal you've done in the past as a whole thing. Okay, we tend to do that. We tend to generalize. I invested in Bitcoin and it went bad, or I invested in this and it went bad. Someone told me to do this, I did and went really bad, blah blah blah, you know, and then you just gave up. Just give up. You give up the best opportunities of your life to make life-changing money. Okay, that's what we are here. Not only for that, but we are here to change the world. Yeah, guys, my aim, really, what I wanted to see is third world countries like Brazil, like almost every country in Africa, to develop a little bit, get the advantage of this, the advantage of normal people being able to trade between themselves without having intermediate, without having a bank taking all the profits for them, without having the rich people getting all the profits. Okay, this is the sad part of the world, isn't it? So I think cryptocurrency and everything can make this a reality, and the world will change, I'm sure. So I think, if you check Cardano's plan, Charles Hoskins, sorry, I have a friend called Chris Hoskins, that's why I said that. So Charles Hoskins plan for Africa, There's apparently like 5 million people already using Cardano in Africa as a means of exchange and buying and selling stuff between them without using the bank, which is great. It's sad now because the market is we are in the bear market, so people probably if they have started using Cardano when it was above $1, so now they're in a loss. But I'm sure this is going to change. Okay, I am sure this is going to change. So I want you guys to be part of it. So thank you so much for being here today. Casco will be here with us tomorrow. Okay, don't forget to follow him on his other channel, exclusively talking about post chain. So there's nice projects there. If you have sacrificed from some projects of post, there's a new token that you can claim. Okay, if you go to Casca's channel and then you can Casquinha Crypto, and then he only talks about what's happening. There's some sacrifices still on post. When post is going to come, we don't know yet, but of course we're really looking forward for the post chain network to come up. So if you don't know anything about it, go into his channel and check it out, or go back to our channel. There's some videos there also in our channel talking about post chain. Okay, take care guys, and have a great week. Bye bye.